Hey everybody, welcome back to Iphone Bloke, the tech tuber where we help quality people to pick up quality product. Right, so in today's video presentation, I want to continue the legacy of iPhone iOS tutorial. And with this wonderful video, I want to talk about another spectacular feature which every iPhone user must know to use if he or she happen to have an iPhone. So let's get started. I'm talking about a very productive option called Assistive Touch. Now, Assistive Touch is an incredible addition to all the iPhones with context to iPhone 4S beyond. And what it has done in the real picture, it has really enhanced the protection of your touch screen or your protection of your touch ID if you happen to have SE and beyond, and of course iPhone 6 and wherever you have touch ID functionality available. Now, assistive touch, the role of assistive touch is it's like a cursor. So it accumulates all the options within a particular round symbol, and if you keep pressing that particular symbol, it will give you a lot of important inputs and information and whatnot. So without wasting much of our time, let's deep dive with screen recording and tell you how to find and apply assistive touch. Okay, so let's start the overall presentation of Assistive Touch, and for that what you all have to do is you have to go to iPhone settings, and in settings you have to go an option called accessibility. In accessibility you have an option in physical and motor called touch. So click on touch, and then the first option what you get once you click on accessibility in touch is assistive touch. You just have to go and switch it on. Now once you switch it on, you get this pop-up like this, which is this particular round symbol. Now technically what it does, it gives you multiple options like your so-called touch ID, and with the help of this you end up getting on your home screen, you end up working with a lot of functions and devices, and I think over let's say a period of time it does a lot of good. The touch ID, the main touch ID which you have on your respective iPhone. So this was kind of important, I felt, and I thought of sharing with one and all. In case if you like this wonderful tutorial, do give us a question, subscribe, and of course comment as well. Till next time, thank you so much, and